So I walk out of the bathroom, and Wick is on the floor with vacuum lines everywhere. What you doing, Wick?
Trying to figure out where all this goes.
There's a shitload of vacuum lines, my friend.
Yeah. Fortunately, I got the old ones. And then I got this trusty dusty kit here from Classic Air.
Is that Classic Air or was that Old Air Products?
Old Air Products, sorry.
Ow.
Not Curtis.
That's not fucking Curtis?
Not fucking Curtis. But the hose colors are slightly different. And I don't know if I can get these things. This one looks okay, not great. So that's what I was just seeing now, if I can find those two guys. So that goes to the top of the switch, the AC switch. And that goes, I have no idea where that goes. But I sort of remember seeing it at some point in time. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on here.
All right, Wick's on vacuum line research. I made my two little pieces for the passenger side to fill in. You can see the shine off the glue. Now we're gonna put in my two little parts and then we'll tape it. Passenger side will be done and then we'll hit the driver's side next. Glued and taped. Done deal. Passenger side floor is done. We're going to do the driver's side after we get our column here, get everything in and situated. We can make all our little filler pieces. Next order of business, that 3-hole loveliness right there, which is the vacuum lines Wick's working on, which you saw a second ago. All right, we got our wiper transmission back in. Our cowl screens are in. Got our washer hoses ran and just kind of ready. Wick's putting the last little tab in there. But
Not with that screwed up.
lots of progress today. Look at that firewall. Looking good.